All right, taking a brief break from winter time to talk about something that I'm really excited about for 2024, something I'm going to be doing every month, and it's all about this box right here. I'll be sending one of these boxes out to maybe you every month. One box a month. I'm going to be selecting a winner from my email list. So if you are not subscribed to my email list, I'll leave a link down in the description and you can easily enter to be in a drawing every month to win a mystery box from me. So going to be sending out a box like this every month. It's going to include something from my online shop, whether it's hat, t-shirt, golf balls, anything that's on there is pretty much fair game. And I wanted to show you, just to kind of give you an idea of this month's box. And the winner has already been picked. Benjamin Harrison is the winner. And like I said, we've got 11 more months left this year. This is going all the way to December. So really excited to give back, and this I think is going to be a fun way to do it. So let's go through the box, see what's in here. First things first, let's go through my stuff. Ben's getting a Cherish Each Moment hat. He's getting the patriotic flavor of the hat, stars and stripes, which is really cool. I love this hat. He's also getting some stickers from me. Got some stickers here, little card. And then the partner swag in this month's box is going to be from Spiker Spreaders, so Spiker sticker, some golf tees, and can't have golf tees without a golf ball, so Spiker golf ball. You can't lose this on the course. It's yellow. That's the best part. And then a Spiker swag bag. Pretty cool. So that's kind of what we're going for here. Anything's fair game, guys. So this month it's Spiker, next month who knows. We'll see. I've got lots of stuff here. I've got lots of stuff incoming, and we're gonna have a lot of fun this year giving away stuff, and I've got some fun projects to share with you too. Can't wait. 57 days, 56 days until spring. Can't come soon enough. Stay tuned, lots going on, lots of fun things to share with you. I cannot wait to get started. Until then, I'll see you next time.